Say hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Can you smile for Grandma and Poppy? Can you smile? Say hi. Oh, I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. Yes, I do. Can you smile? Can you smile? Can you give me a big smile? Can you give me a big smile? Yeah, talk to us. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Poppy. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Yeah, tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Say hi. Yeah, there you go. Give him a big smile. Give him a big smile. Oh, give him a big smile. Yeah. I have the hiccups. I have the hiccups. Yeah, it makes me smile, huh? Or not. Okay. Okay, one more big smile for Grandma and Poppy. One more big smile. One more big smile. Yeah. Okay. Say bye. I love you. I love you.